Hi guys, I'm Nivita. In this video, what we are going to see is in our higher class mathematics, there is one famous formula like limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n to the whole power n is equal to e. Okay, in this video, we are going to see the derivation how for limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n to the whole power n is equal to e comes. Okay, so for that what I'm going to do is I'm going to consider this left hand side as y is equal to limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n to the whole power n. Apply log on both sides. Okay, apply log on both sides. You will get log y is equal to log of limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n to the whole power n. Okay, actually you can commute with the limit. Okay, so bring that log here. You will get what? Limit n tends to infinity log of 1 plus 1 by n to the whole power n you will get. Okay, so basically log of a power n, you can write it as n log a. Okay, so like that, so here the 1 plus 1 by n looks like a. So after that you can bring that n before, right? So I'm going to write like log y is equal to limit n tends to infinity n into log of 1 plus 1 by n. Understood? Yes. Then what we are going to do is we are going to expand this log of 1 plus 1 by n. Basically log of 1 plus x formula is x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3. Okay, so likewise when you are expanding, no, you will get log y is equal to limit n tends to infinity n into, here the value of x is 1 by n. So when you put, no, you will get like 1 by n minus 1 by n the whole square by 2 plus 1 by n the whole cube by 3 and so on. Understood? Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to simplify this. So limit n tends to infinity n into 1 by n minus 1 by 2n square plus 1 by 3n cube and so on. Okay, so bring this n inside. You will get what? Limit n tends to infinity n into 1 by n will give you 1 minus n into 1 by minus 2 by n square will give you n and n will get cancelled, 1 by 2n will come, n will get cancelled, plus 1 by 3n square will come. Understood? So I'm just bringing this n inside. Okay, fine. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to include n tends to infinity. When I am substituting, instead of n tends to infinity, 1 by infinity will give you 0. Here also I am having n in the denominator. So 1 by infinity will give you 0. So all of the terms will become 0. So log y is equal to 1 only I will get, because this term will become 0, this term will become 0. Okay, fine. Next, log y is equal to 1 I am getting. So to cancel this log, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take exponential. Okay, so e log y is equal to e power 1 will come. E and log will get cancelled, y is equal to e will come. Understood? So we have started y as limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n to the whole power n. The value of this is e. Okay, that's why limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n to the whole power n is equal to e. This is very simple. Just take this y as this left hand side as y, apply log on both sides and simplify those things, and do this expansion. Log of 1 plus expansion is x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3. Okay, so bring that expansion, bring that n inside, you'll be getting like this. So finally you will get like answer as 1. When you bring this log here, you will get y is equal to e power 1. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.